My name's Ernest and I've come from Bermuda because I've heard of Dr. Garita and Dr. Wong, and I've heard they do a fantastic job. So I came here about 3.5 years ago, had some posts put in and temporaries, and then I went back to Bermuda because I needed 6 months to come back and get the real teeth, but COVID stopped me from coming, so it's like 3.5 years now. And I am so happy with the quality of service that I received here at this dentistry, and I'm going to be recommending this to all of my friends. And here, I want to show you something that I haven't done in years. I can't even remember. Here. I haven't done that in many, many years. So thank you, Dr. Garita and Dr. Wong.
Thank you.